Hi there. This is Mark, your host. Welcome to PMP Exam Express. Here we help you prepare for your PMP exams using exam situational questions. Let's go through 10 preparation questions. Question 1. Project closeout. James, managing a software rollout, is preparing for project closure. His team is located across London, Manchester, and Belfast. What should he ensure to complete the closure process? A. Conduct final performance reviews. B. Archive project documents. C. Celebrate only with the core team in London. D. Send closure emails but skip procurement closure. Correct answers: A and B. Explanation. Final performance evaluations and document archiving are part of formal closure. Recognition should include the whole team, and procurement closure is mandatory if applicable. Question 2. Procurement management. Emily is working with a supplier from Birmingham who hasn't delivered all the contracted items. What should she do during closeout? A. Close the project without the remaining items. B. Review the procurement contract and engage the procurement team. C. Release the final payment immediately. D. Escalate the issue to the HR department. Correct answer: B. Explanation. Procurement must be reviewed and formally closed. HR is not involved in supplier management. Question 3. Risk management. Select 2 correct answers. George's project team works remotely across the UK. Some members have raised concerns about data security risks. What actions should George take? A. Update the risk register. B. Ignore the concerns unless there's an actual breach. C. Implement a risk response plan. D. Remove access for all users temporarily. Correct answers: A and C. Explanation. Risks must be documented and addressed proactively with planned responses. Question 4. Communications management. Amelia is closing her marketing campaign project. She wants to inform stakeholders in Leeds, Cardiff, and Glasgow. Which is the best way to do this? A. Send a single WhatsApp message. B. Notify only the primary sponsor. C. Schedule one Zoom call for the team in London. D. None of the above. Correct answer: D. Explanation. Formal closure communication should include all key stakeholders using official channels like email and a structured closeout meeting. Question 5. Stakeholder management. Oliver is managing a team with members in Newcastle, Belfast, and Brighton. One stakeholder is unhappy with how their feedback was handled. What should Oliver do? A. Escalate directly to the project sponsor. B. Update the stakeholder engagement plan. C. Ignore the complaint if deliverables are complete. D. Schedule a retrospective with that stakeholder. Correct answer: B. Explanation. Stakeholder engagement is a continuous process and the plan should be updated accordingly. Question 6. Integration management. Sophie is finishing up a project. What key activity must she complete before declaring the project closed? A. Ensure the team takes a holiday. B. Formally accept deliverables from the client. C. Submit a new project proposal. D. Immediately decommission all tools. Correct answer: B. Explanation. Client or sponsor acceptance is required for closure. Question 7. Project closeout. Ethan is leading a data migration project. What must he do to ensure proper closure across teams in Bristol, Liverpool, and Aberdeen? A. Ask team leads to submit timesheets. B. Uninstall the collaboration software. C. Only collect feedback from senior management. D. None of the above. Correct answer, D. Explanation. Proper closeout involves comprehensive documentation, stakeholder feedback, procurement closure, and lessons learned, not just admin tasks or feedback from senior staff only. Question 8. Scope management. Chloe's team has delivered all scope items, but one stakeholder says something is missing. The item was never in the agreed scope. What should Chloe do? A. Add the item immediately. B. Refer to the scope baseline and explain. C. Escalate it to legal. D. Request additional budget to include the item. Correct answer, B. Explanation. Referencing the scope baseline helps clarify misunderstandings without expanding scope unnecessarily. Question 9. Quality management. Select 2 correct answers. Henry's hybrid project team reported recurring bugs in a deployed app. He is closing the project. What should he do? A. Document lessons learned. B. Perform a root cause analysis. C. Skip the closure if stakeholders are satisfied. D. Assign new developers to fix it post-closure. Correct answers A and B. Explanation: documenting quality issues and their causes is crucial for future projects. Question 10. Resource management. Isla's distributed project team completed a year-long rollout. Team members are about to be released. What's her best step? A. Let them go without notice. B. Reassign them without feedback. C. Conduct performance reviews and release per plan. D. Schedule a surprise team meeting with HR. Correct answer, C. Explanation. Releasing resources formally with reviews ensures closure and respects the team's effort. Thank you for watching. Let us know how you did in the comment section. Please like, subscribe, and share our content. We will meet on the next video. Stay focused.